Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. This is Beryl, and tonight I'm making something for Mike. It's black eyed peas and andouille sausage. This sausage makes it so flavorful. It is really good.
And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when we upload another awesome video.
So black-eyed peas and sausage are really simple to make. As you can see, I have three things here. I have a seasoning blend pack with onions, celery, bell pepper, some andouille smoked sausage, so it's basically already cooked, and a 1 pound package of Camellia Black Eye Peas. And so we soak these overnight, so now they're a little softer than being rock hard. And so now all I need to do is put all these ingredients together with some chicken broth, and we're gonna put that in here on high in our slow cooker for about 4 or 5 hours. Well, it took me a half an hour to get this sausage out of the package, but it's out. So all I'm gonna do is slice it up. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put this seasoning blend in the bottom of our slow cooker. Spread that around. I will slice up the sausage and then put it all in there and season it, and that'll be it.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
Okay, so I have my sausage, andouille sausage. That is a pork sausage that has some seasonings in it. And this one has no antibiotics, nitrates, preservatives, all that sort of stuff, which is good for me. And this is a 12-ounce package. So I'm gonna put all this meat into the slow cooker. And you can see all the pepper and all kinds of seasoning in there. I can see cayenne pepper too. All right, next up, we have the 1 pound of Camellia Black Eye Peas. That's gonna be a big pot, Mike. I know you like them. I'll cook them for you. And our chicken broth, and this one's chicken stock.
What about your seasoning?
We'll do that after I put this liquid in there. All right, so this is 1 quart. We want to make sure we get enough in here without it overflowing. There, I can see it now. It's right there. Did you get that? Whoo, that thing's already hot. Burned my finger. Okay, so now we're gonna season it with, Mike has all the stuff out here. Now, Mike Stokes, that sausage is already hot, remember, right?
Right.
Because I sometimes can't even eat it. And so we have some granulated garlic powder, Tabasco. I'm gonna put a couple dashes of Tabasco. I've got some sea salt and the Tony Chacheres. So I'll do the salt here. Just do, how about that?
At least.
Okay. That sausage has salt. I don't want it up my nose. Couple dashes of this. 1. That enough?
Yeah, that was 4.
Oh, 4 dashes. And some of this granulated garlic powder. Ooh, it's already smoking. Okay, now I need to get this stirred up and put the lid on, and that's it. I think this is something that normally people think of as a side item, but with all this meat in here, I mean, that's a main course. Make some rice and call it a day. You can put this on before you go to work, and you got supper when you get home. All right, that looks good. I didn't want to fill it up too much with water because the slow cooker does make its own water by putting the lid on and not touching it. So all that steam is going to go back into there and make its own liquid. Anyway, these are good and done, and they've picked up the flavor of that smoked sausage, which is yummy. Now, I put some in a little bowl here, and what I like to do, because the chicken broth doesn't really thicken it, is I like to take some and mash it with a fork. And that puts a little creaminess into your beans, especially when you want them over rice.
Makes for a thicker gravy.
Yes, thicker gravy. I just had about a half a cup. Just mushing them up. Just gonna put it right back in there. Help us thicken up that gravy. All right. Also, if we leave the top off and keep it on high, it would also thicken it up some too. But you can see it's already different. It's a thicker consistency. It's going to be creamier. All right, Mike's got some rice ready, and we are going to have our dinner. Thank y'all for joining us on Cajun Cooking TV. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We love to hear from you. If there's anything you want us to cook, we'd be happy to do it. And we'll see you next time.
It's a wrap.